Hello children, now first class mathematics. All of you take your books children. So take out all of you and take pencil. In previous class 2 we already learning what we are learning. So what spellings we are learning? So page number 44, open it children. Page number 44. Okay, see here. BEFORE before, AFTER after, BETWEEN between, MORE more, LESS less. Before, BEFORE before, AFTER after, BETWEEN between, MORE more, LESS less. So in previous class 2 what we are learning? So here one picture is given, train picture. In this picture too. So how many bogies are there? So we are counting only. Yes children. So in previous class 2 till 5 questions will be completed. How many bogies does the train have? What is the number of the bogie next to the engine? This all will be completed. So now 6th question. So take out page number 44 children. 6th question. See all of you. WHAT what? ARER THE the NUMBERS numbers. NUMBERS numbers. OF of THE the BOGIES bogies. BOGIES bogies. BETWEEN between. THE the FIRS first. AND and. THE the LAST last. BOGIE bogie. What are the numbers of the bogies between the first and the last bogie? So first and last bogie between numbers only. So here asking between numbers. Between means what? In middle. So in first bogie is which one? This is the first one. This is the last bogie. So in between numbers, so in middle which bogies are there? So let us find out here. So 1 is the first bogie and 9 is the last bogie. So in between bogies 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this bogies only. First one is, see here, what are the numbers of the bogies between first and the last bogie? So between numbers only. Between means in middle. Middle what having in middle? That we are counting and writing here. So are you understand? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bogies are between only having. So in which numbers between? 1 and 9 between. See here next one, 7th question. See all of you children. WH80 what? ARER, THE the, NUMBERS numbers, OF of ALL all, THE the, BOGIES bogies. What are the numbers of all the bogies? TH80 that, ARER. So here one mistake only came, children. BE, not BO. BEFORE only before BE. So this O to become E. Only E cheyandi la. BEFORE before the, BOGIE bogie, NUMBERED number 4. So bogie number 4 before bogie only. So which one is? What are the number of all the bogies that are before the bogie number 4? So bogie number 4 is here. So before these bogies, so what bogies are there? 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So are you understand, children? So okay, very good. So now next one, children. So okay, next one. WH80 what? ARER, THE the, NUMBERS numbers, ONR, THE the, LAST last, TWO2, BOGIES bogies, OF of THE the, TRAIN train. So what are the numbers on the last two bogies of the train? So this is the train, last two bogies. What are the numbers? 8 and 9. 8, 9. So are you understand? Okay. Now ninth one. WH80 what? IS is, THE the, NUMBER number, OF of THE the, BOGIE bogie, TH80 that, IS is, AFTER after, THE the, BOGIE bogie, NUMBERED number 2. So what is the number of the bogie that is after the bogie number 2? So bogie number 2 after, bogie number 2 after number is what? Which bogie is there? Third bogie, 3. That bogie number is 3. 3. So 10th one, BETWEEN between, WHICH which, BOGIES bogies, between which bogies, DOES does, THE the, BOGIE bogie, NUMBERED number 6, LIE lie. So between which bogies does the bogie number 6 lie? So in which number between only having 6th bogie? 5 and 7. 5 and 7 between only 6th bogie is there. So are you understand? So next page, see all of you children. Page number 45. Look 88 Thida PICTURES pictures given 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 BELOW below. Look at the pictures given below. HOW how, MANY many, FLOWER flower, POTS pots, ARER THERE there. How many flower pots are there? HOW how, MANY many, PLANTS plants, ARER THERE there. How many plants are there? WRIT right, YOUR ANSWR answer, IN THEDA, SMALL small spelling, SMALL small, BLANK blank. So how many plants are there here? So how many pots are there? So we are counting and write it. Okay. See here. Here how many pots having? Here some plants having. Here pots having. So here how many pots are there, children? 1. Let us count with me, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pots. Here 1, 2 plants. 5 pots and 2 plants. So as per the above picture, S as P per THEDA, ABOVE above, PICTURE picture, WHICH which, ARER, MORE more, AND and, WHICH which, ARER, LESS less, FLOWER flower, POTS pots or plants, PLANTS plants. Put right mark for your answer. See here. So which one is more in this picture? So in which now? So pots are more or plants are more? So ఏవి highest గా ఉన్నాయి, ఎక్కువగా ఏవి ఉన్నాయి? Which one is more? So here only more. Yes children, here only 2 having, here 5. So this one is more. Parts are more. MORE more. So we are keeping the right tick in more box too. Good. So next one. So here plants more or less? So parts only more having, plants less. Less spelling LESS, less. So are you observe children in this picture too? Their plants only, their plants more having, plants more? No. Parts are more and plants are less. So are you understand? So next one, see here B question. How many cranes are there and how many fishes are there are the in equal number? You know children? So here how many cranes are there? So this is the crane children, you know crane. Konga. Yes. So here cranes having, here fishes having. So crane eating fish only? Yes. So here how many cranes are there? 1, 2. 2 cranes. So how many fishes having? 1, 2. two fishes, two cranes and two fishes. So are you observing, children? So okay, children, practice it this. So learn these spellings more and less. So okay, so practice it, children. In next topic, in next class I will explain.